Hello everyone, it's Jahanzeb Khan, and today I'm going to bring you a website which is providing the web hosting services. Basically, it's a Pakistan's top web hosting company named Creation.com. And today we are going to discuss the reality of the best web hosting, or so-called the best web hosting of Pakistan, as I have been using their service for around 2 years. And the year 2018 is one of the worst year for my websites that are hosted on the Criteo servers. I have successfully shifted my web servers to another web hosting company, and in this review I will just talk about the basic about Criteo. Like every single month, if you are on the December, it will be facing an issue on 29 to 30 or 31. The server will be down for almost 1 or 2 days, and the response rate that you mail the Creation team, they reply as they wish to reply. Means they will reply you around from 5 hours to 1 day or 2 days. They just do not care about the people. They just wanted to bring the customers and to use their service for a year, pay them for a year as their service. I have already paid around 50,000 rupees per year. So if I am just facing a issue 2 to 3 months, now I can't left or leave the web hosting. It's just because I have paid the full amount, which is 50,000 rupees per year. Now I suggest every single person that you should subscribe the per month. If the website hosting is not providing you the quality, you can go and unsubscribe from the web hosting and use or purchase another web hosting. Now I was just bound because I have paid all my amount of the year to Criteo. So I do not suggest any person to buy any services from Criteo, as I have mentioned all my details on my blog post. You can also read and uh, read all my statements about it, and you can understand what I'm just saying. I have sent countless emails to the service, and they provided no proper help to me, and I shifted all my site. Like I've said, server error, site not responding, site down, issues with site. Like I can literally show you all my emails. Like this has been fixed, please check now. Every single time you need to message them, they will then properly resolve your issues. Means if you do not care about your website, or you have a client that you have developed a website for them, and now you have forgotten the web address or anything like that, the server or the sites will be down for almost a month. They won't solve it until you email them. They will reply you in a day or in just 5 or 6 hours. So the services are almost very bad, like server moved error. I have just emailed them that yesterday we got an email from you and saying to wait for 12 hours. So the website moved to a new server. It's almost 24 hours, yet same browser the website shows error, which says website moved. Can you please check this out and solve? So what they have replied, let's check. Like this is another error that I've stated to them. All my websites were down, and now this their email said we have changed the PHP version and it's now fine. Like literally it's 21 December, and my email that I've just emailed them is like on the 21 December. Like we will check the timing, it's 10:52 a.m. Literally they replies you in 2 or to 5 or 6 hours. Sometimes they take almost a day or more to reply you, and the services are worst. Now these are just a little proof that I showed you. Now I cannot show all the emails because of the privacy, that I don't want to show my other websites. But as I'm concerned, because I've used their service for around 2 years and I know all about them. So I do not recommend any person to use their services. I have their call recordings that I called them 100 times, and they stated that we are working hard to figure out the issue. And when I shifted my website, which is Techie Talk, to another web hosting, they replied that your site is now up working fine. Like, let's find out the email that I sent them. Like, they are saying, I am really sorry for inconvenience you might have faced. We have moved to a new very fast servers where you have not issued. It's just a lie. It's just a lie. Like they have stated, we have tested your website in various way and found it great. Could you please recheck and do let us know what you are facing? Like I've shifted the complete website from one hosting to another hosting, and in just a 1 hour, which is almost a 3 GB website, which is of course the Online, and they have said that it is now fine and great, and they don't know that I've shifted this website to another server because they provided no proper help to me. And I said, haha, I have called 100 times and emailed several times, you guys show no help on return. Then I shift to another web hosting and solved my issue and found the issue with your server. Now it's much faster than your hosting, worst services ever by Crition. I have just emailed them. Then they reply with like, I'm really sorry. All the emails are like, you can see these support at crition.com. Everything is transparent, you know, everything, like I've mentioned every single thing to you guys. Before purchasing web hosting, you need to grab all the reviews, the positive reviews, and find out what the website provides. And of course, I suggest you to subscribe for a monthly basis, not for yearly basis. If the website hosting you are using is perfectly fine and you trust on them, and like you are being their customers for over years, then you can easily then pay the per year subscription fee. But as far as a newbie like me or someone else is concerned with the new web hosting services that you are going to pay them, is of course I suggest to pay on monthly basis. Hope you like the tutorial, and I don't recommend Crition.com.